Hi, in this video, I am presenting my final project, a color-adjustable LED ring system controlled by an Arduino Nano. This project was inspired by the Arduino-based 3D printed Minecraft lantern created by the Crazy Couple DIY on YouTube. To begin, I bought all the components from AliExpress and Amazon that I needed to build the LED ring system. This includes one Arduino Nano as the microcontroller, two Neopixel LED rings, which are circular block containing individual addressable RGB LEDs, four 10,000 ohm potentiometer that are used to adjust the brightness and animation speed of the ring, one SPST, which are single pole single throw switch for on and off control, one 1A650 battery and battery holder as the main power source, a TP4056 charging module to safely recharge the battery, a DC to DC buck converter that can switch higher voltage into a lower one, a 10,000 microfarad capacitor to stabilize power for the LEDs, a 1000 ohm resistor to protect the LED data line, a breadboard and jumper wire, and a 3D printed casing for the final presentation. The LED ring system consists mainly three sections: the power system, the control system, and the LED system. First, in the power system, the 1A650 battery powers the entire circuit. Its voltage first passes through the TP4056 charging module and then through the DC to DC buck converter, which output a regulated 5V for both the Arduino Nano and the LED rings. Second, in the control system, four potentiometers were installed in the breadboard. Its left pin were connected to the ground, its right pin were connected to the 5V, and its middle pin were connected to the Arduino analog input D3. And the two outer potentiometers control the brightness of the ring, while the two center potentiometers control the speed of the color transition. Third, in the LED system, the two Neopixel rings receive value from ground, 5V, and some data signal from the Arduino Nano, and the Arduino read the potentiometer value and then update the LED's color, brightness, and transition speed accordingly. At the beginning, after running the initial circuit, the Arduino Nano suddenly stopped being detected by my computer. After troubleshooting, I realized that the red and blue power rail on the breadboard were wired incorrectly, and some wires that are connected to the Arduino Nano were loose. So I corrected the power rail and replaced the wire. Next, I installed all the four potentiometers properly. But when I upload the code using Arduino IDE, the Arduino disconnected again. To solve this, I removed all the wire, test the Arduino by itself, confirm that it works, then rebuild the entire circuit carefully. And this helped me to realize that this issue was caused by the incorrect wiring. And after rebuild everything correctly, the LED data line, the capacitor, the resistor, and the power distribution become stable. Finally, the project worked properly. The LED rings lines up correctly. By turning the two outer potentiometer, it adjusts its brightness. By turning the two middle potentiometer, it adjusts the speed of color transition. To make the project work, I connect the Arduino Nano to the computer using a USB cable, and then I upload the code in the Arduino IDE, wait for around 5 to 10 seconds, and then the LED rings turn on. Then by turning the potentiometer knobs, the brightness and animation speed change smoothly. Finally, I used a combination of 3D printing and origami to make the project visually appealing for the presentation. Thank you for watching.